What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, the best booming crash trader, and in this video I'm going to explain to you and expose the 99.99% accurate boom and crash trading strategy that you see right now. Yes, it is a very simple strategy and you can catch multiple pips. Can you see how we managed to sell boom 300 and go all the way down with it? This was from the one and only 1450 strategy, and without this strategy we would not have met this beautiful entry. So in this video I'm going to expose the 1450 strategy and share with you guys how I managed to know that we're going to sell on boom 300. Guys, this is a lot of money. For those of you that followed boom 300, you know that it has got a very high pip value, and such a trade will be deep in profit. So I'm going to explain it to you guys and show you how you can also make the same trade and be deep in profit. It's a very simple strategy. As some of you already know it, I've been posting it on the previous videos. If you have not seen any of those, please make sure you go and rewatch them, because I'll be explaining different things in those videos and it will help you find different entries when you are using this strategy. All my previous videos are based on this 1450 strategy. So if you also want to learn and master it, make sure that once you finish watching this video you go check it out. Of course, I'm going to share with you guys the settings in this video, but you need more explanations on it, okay? And I can do it in one video, okay? So we're also going to look at other indices that we entered. Also going to look at boom 300, which is in profit, in crash 300, which is currently in loss, and I'm also going to show you guys why we're currently in loss on that trade. And the other volatility indices, I have done and posted videos on these on our second YouTube channel. So if you want to learn about them, if you want to know what was happening on V75 1S and V100 1S, make sure you go to our second YouTube channel and you will see those trades. But today we'll only be looking at boom and crash, and actually all the boom indices are in profit, only the crash is left to be profitable. Okay, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, guys, and this is a big milestone for me and I really appreciate it. And you guys know that if we reach a big milestone like that, I'm doing a massive giveaway. So click that subscribe button. Let's quickly reach to 40,000 subscribers and celebrate together. Okay, so on my main chart I've got a couple of indicators, as you can see, and I'm going to explain them to you, and then we'll explain the conditions for the strategy, and then I'll also explain why I entered into that beautiful sell trade that fell immediately after I had entered, as you can see. So I'm going to explain that to you, but for now let's jump into the indicators that you need. Now on my main window we've got two indicators, as you can see. The first moving average has got the following properties that you see on my screen. We have a period of 14, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close. There are no levels on this one, and on visualization it is on all time frames. Okay, and our styling, I chose that green color for our moving average. So if I click done, I should be able to see a green moving average, and that will be my EMA 14. Okay, so if I click done right here, you can see that we have this green line right there, and this one is going to help us with entries. You'll find that as we go on in the video. Okay, the next one is going to be a moving average with the following properties. We basically have a period of 50, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close. Okay, and then I gave it a red color. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using in this video so that you don't get confused when I start referring back to them. Okay, so on our chart we also have this red, which is our EMA 50, like I said. Okay, now you need another set of indicators that is going to help you with confirmations to your entries, and those indicators firstly would be the stochastic oscillator. It has the following properties that you see on my screen: percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, price field is low high, method is simple. We've got these two levels. We've got level 20 and level 18, and our level 20 we labeled it as a buy zone. Our level 80 is our sell zone, and if you click done, it will take us back to the settings for the stochastic oscillator, and I just need you guys to confirm and make sure that your main and your signal have got the same color as your background color. So if you've got a white background on your charts like me, then make sure that those are white. Like I said, try and follow the same colors as I'm using. You can later on customize when you're comfortable with the strategy. So if I click done, you see that there's an indicator window down there that has been created, and it's got our levels and nothing else inside, and this is how actually you should start. Okay, then finally we need another indicator under our indicator window one, and it's going to be a moving average, and the period is going to be 10. Everything else will remain the same except the styling. I'll change it to black so that you can differentiate it easily, and click done. And as you can see, we now have the 1450 strategy fully installed, as you can see right there, and we're going to look into how you can trade with it. And now we're going to have a series of videos. That's why you should turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post, because I'm also going to be explaining how you can use this strategy with price action, how you can use this strategy with ICT, how you can use this strategy with smart money concept or with any other concept. So this strategy is also going to be an aid. I'll also be posting a video on how you can use this strategy with our latest 99.99% indicator. For those of you that have been following us or in our Telegram channel, we've been sharing that indicator, and it's a very powerful indicator, and you can use it with this strategy to get even more accurate entries and more confident entries. So it's good. That indicator will help you identify if you are right or wrong when you're using this indicator. So make sure that you check out that next video. It's coming up next. You can check our Telegram channel, because I'll post the link in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below, and you can easily join and jump into our free Telegram channel. It's basically a trading community with over 7,000 traders in there, and feel free to join. I post setups, signals, strategies, any trading material that's going to help you. My results from trading, my results from using these strategies, all this you'll be able to find it in that Telegram channel. So feel free to join. The link is the first link in the description box below, and you can easily join that. And you guys know that on each and every video that I post, I do give away a free spot in our VIP signals group, and basically this person comes from the comment section. So if you want to win the next spot, all you have to do is to make sure that you leave your comment down below, and you stand a chance to win access to our VIP signals group, where I post these beautiful winning trades. And our winner, I'm just going to put the screenshot. I'm not going to say their name. I'll just put the screenshot right here, and you guys can see who won. And if you want to win next time, make sure you comment and you like this video. All you have to do is to make sure you're a subscriber, like this video, and comment down below. Let's get back to the strategy. How do you enter into trades? I'll start off by explaining how you enter into a sell trade, and then I'll explain the sell trade that I actually entered into. Okay, now I'm going to start from the 1 hour time frame, because I do top-down analysis, and all that the trading principles, guys, still apply. It doesn't mean that if you're using indicators, you forget your price action, you forget your candlesticks, you forget your ICT or whatever you are using to trade. No, indicators are just there to help you. Doesn't mean that if your car has indicators, then you don't have to drive anymore. Do you get the point? Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to look for the position of my black line if I want to enter my sell trade. And I can see that my black line is right there in my sell zone, which means that I should be looking for sell trades if I go to my charts, right? And the second thing, for a sell to be valid, I have to look for a break of market structure. A break of market structure is when price changes its structure. As you can see, at that point, we were initially in this bullish momentum, and we can see price crossing to be below our green line like that. That's a break of market structure. But has it been confirmed yet? No. So we wait and go back down to lower time frames. Let's say to my left, all this has not yet happened. So let's say we have just broken this green line. We are here. All this is not yet there, right? What do? I go to a lower time frame and look for the golden cross, which confirms that break of market structure. And that golden cross is when the green line crosses with the red line, right? So if I don't find it in my 30 minutes, I'll also even go down to my 15-minute time frame and see if that break of market structure has been confirmed. And from your 15-minute time frame, you can see that we actually got that entry a little bit early, right around there. That's the three conditions that you need for a sell using the 1450 strategy. And you can see that at that point, you could have entered the sell and it would have been profitable. Okay, let me explain why I ended my sell trade. And this was because on my 30-minute time frame, I had seen the break of the golden cross, so it was confirmed. And I think from the 5-minute time frame, there was a crossover on my entry. I can't remember, but basically there was also another crossover right here on our 1 hour time frame. So I had all my confirmations from a very high time frame. You can see the golden cross happened right here, which is exactly when my entry is at. So for me, this one was a swing trade because I was holding it overnight. As you can see with the period separators, it's actually a trade from 2 days. You can see that we have this side from here up to here. That's the first day, and this is the second day. So I had to use my very high time frame because I was going to hold this for almost a complete day in 2 separate days actually. So that's how we managed to get into that beautiful sell trade. How did we perform on Boom 500? Let's take a look. Currently we are selling Boom 500, and the same concept again. We've got our black line in our sell zone. First thing. Second thing, we've got this break of market structure, which is good. If you go down, you can see golden cross confirming that break of market structure. So around this zone was supposed to be our first sell trade, but of course we were late because we ended that trade based on the golden cross in our 1 hour time frame. So our sell was right around that zone, based on the fact that that's when we can see that the green line crossed with the red line. Again, this was a trade that was done overnight. So you have to take note of these points and tips that I'm already showing you. But it's deep in profit right now with almost zero drawdown. Can you see that the market didn't even reverse that much? If it was reversing, I would be in deep profit, and it reverses. But nonetheless, it will still come down. Okay, so that's how we managed to enter into that sell trade. Again, it was overnight. You can see it's within 2 days of occurring, and we are in the second day. Same concept even on Boom 300. Now let's take a look at Crash 300 and what went wrong. So Crash 300 was like this. Now you can see the importance of waiting for the golden cross if you want to hold the trade for long. Crash 300, same concept. It gave us the same trade. Our black line was in our sell zone. Right here we experienced break of market structure, which is good. If you go down to a 30-minute time frame, you can see that we actually entered after the golden cross had happened right there. Perfect, right? This was supposed to be a perfect trade, not a trade in loss like it is right now. And we saw it from this point to a maximum of that. All right, that was all. So basically it was like this, right? Now, how come we failed to see that it will not even go back down? No, we saw that because our black line reached our buy zone. That's how, as another sign that we should exit that trade. It was good enough. And if you go to your 1 hour time frame, can you see that there is no golden cross in the 1 hour time frame? The green line stopped at this level. It never came back down to cross. So this trade could never be in 2 trades. You can never hold it for a long. In fact, it then bounced on our red line, which is our take profit level or stop loss level. Actually bounced. So this means that the green line was never going to come and cross this red line because price has reached support. Okay, so that's what happened here. If I wanted it to spill over the next day, I was supposed to wait for this green line to cross the red line in my 1 hour time frame, not in lower time frames like we did right here. So this was just a simple short trade, just scalping. Actually, we're supposed to end a little bit early and scalp all the way down to our red line right there and exit, because We had no final confirmation of the green and the red line crossing each other in our 1 hour time frame. Now guys, I know this is a lot for one strategy, and this is barely the minimum. So I have created a course, a bootcamp, a crash course basically, where I am teaching students that are willing, one-on-one online, yes, one-on-one online mentorship of this boom and crash trading strategy, the 1450, where I talk about all the scenarios. These are just a few scenarios and a few examples of what can happen. And I'm also including the powerful indicator that is going to help you. I think in the next video, you'll be able to see how the indicator works with this strategy and gives you better entries. So if you want to be part of that bootcamp, if you say you want to learn this one-on-one, feel free to contact us. Like I said, my contact details will be in our free Telegram channel, and you can contact me and I can take you through this whole strategy. It's a very big strategy, and I'll also take you through how you can mix it with the indicator and price action so that you will never miss a trade. Currently, I have got 4 trades in profit, only one, this crash 300, in negative. Of which it was in profit, it could have closed way back, but I knew what was happening and I just wanted to confirm what was happening. So I could have taken all my profit right here. I was deep in profit, guys. Remember, this is crash 300. The pip value is crazy, it's very high, and this is good profit for most traders. If you want to see how big that move is, go to your 15-minute time frame. See where we entered and see where price reached. This is a big movement. Actually happens over hours, right? So that's great profit. And if you want to learn this one-on-one with me, explaining everything to you, make sure you get that crash course and we can do it online. Like I said, you can contact me through our Telegram channel or any of our platforms that are completely free to join. But in my Telegram channel, that's where you'll be able to find my contact details. The winner for the VIP, please make sure that you contact us so that you'll be added to our VIP Signals group and trade with me as well. So that is all for this video. Until